Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to Melinda's Diary. Today, I'm gonna tell you guys about how to use Spirulina face mask. First of all, you need to prepare Spirulina face mask. Rose water, a bowl and a brush. Prepare the Spirulina capsules. Place a bowl and open the Spirulina capsules to the bowl and add 1 teaspoon of rose water. After that, mix it all together. Before you applying the mask on your face, make sure to remove all your makeup and wash your face. Apply all over the face, even the under eye area. You can also apply on the neck. Spirulina is a form of algae that has a number of benefits. It's a natural algae. The scientific term for which is cyanobacteria. That's extremely high in protein, nutrients, iron, and antioxidants. Spirulina is obtained from 2 species of cyanobacteria, which is Arthrospira purtensis and Arthrospira maxima. It's used as a dietary supplement and even a whole food. The supplements are available in tablets, powders, capsules, etc. After you're done applying the mask, leave it on for 10 until 15 minutes. Wash it off with warm water followed by moisturizer. And that is today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.